This is the Tim Hortons foghorn. How to rip. How to rip. Oh boy. Give her. Give her. Just go. No. Alright. More. No, fuck the spoons. Just do it. Tim Hortons foghorn. 5, 4, just quick one. 3, 2, 1. You're not back. I fucking bought it.
Yeah, he's gonna act up.
Long day, boys?
Long day, just starting.
Just starting?
Yeah,
It's like 8 o'clock.
oh yeah, we got to go all day. It was snowing.
Jesus. Where are you moving the snow from? Cottage? Oh, college. It's terrible. Don't get a spoon. You gotta got a spoon on ya? You got a spoon on ya?
No, I don't think one of those.
Do it now, Josh. There's more people in. I'll fucking do it. This guy will do it. He's crazy. Yo, spray the foghorn. Plug your ears, Jen.
Maybe outside, but not inside.
Alrighty. Fuck that guy. That guy's like, don't do it in here. Do it. Definitely do it now. I would. Just do it when I'm leaving, man. Okay, let's go.
No.
You guys have a good night.
We certainly will.
What?
It makes a video and then you walk up there.
Oh, there's another one of the gents working with you. Isn't it? That guy work with you? I'm good. Let's go. You got the horn? Do it.
Yeah,
I don't care. See you, boys. Do it right now. Do it. Do it, you bud. Do it. Fire off.